Hey guys, well, seems like it's a normal day. Yes. Why?
Kinda sus how he's running away.
I don't know. Wish
Alright,
something could happen. Hey guys, wait, what are you doing here? I thought we killed you.
Wow.
Yeah, I thought we killed you. Alright, well, I'm here because I'm going to get you all into an Among Us group chat.
Purple's saying
Yeah,
what?
you could.
Purple,
Watch me. Alright guys, so there's 3 imposters, and I call an emergency meeting because I think it's Goober the Creeper. Wait, why me? Because everyone hates you. Yeah, agreed. Alright, well, I wouldn't really vote Cooper because I haven't met with him. Vote. Wait. Daddy? Vote. Wait, no. I knew it from the very start with this Cooper.
One wearing the straw hat.
What? Wow, I can't believe he was actually an imposter. Well, great job, guys. You got 2 imposters. Now there's only, how many more?
So
2.
You can't see the
oh, yeah, 2. I'm totally not dumb. Alright, hey, you want to do our tasks? Yeah, sure.
I think that might just be...
Doing my tasks. Oh, hey, how are you doing? Oh, I'm doing good.
Oh, wait.
Alright,
I
well...
I kind of wish Matt was here, so I could just, like, speak randomly.
Great. Alright, let's continue. Alright,
so Weeb, you want to do that visual task?
who's that? What they? They're dead! Alright, it seems you guys found a dead body. Yes, I found a dead body. What was it? Oh, man, I fell.
Bro, why did so many people leave?
Well, I found it in the, electrical section.
Yeah.
Alright,
Call a meeting because there was...
who was the last one there? Well, I found them. He's pretty sus. I mean, come on.
I know it's
Dude, you went in there. Obviously, you're the one that killed them. No, I didn't.
Bro, what did
I swear.
I do?
Oh, whoa. Could it be them?
Okay.
Well, I didn't kill him. I swear.
I was with Weeb the entire time.
Let's find out. How many people died? 2. Oh, so it can't be King Oink. Yeah, it can't be King Oink. Then who is it?
You can probably hear what it could be
it's Chef Noodle.
It could be me, but I was with Weeb
Alright,
times
I
as well.
don't vote him. Same. Vote him.
Yeah, why would I lie about
vote him.
Think about it.
Vote him. Alright. I don't vote him. Oh, thank God.
Sorry, Aaron,
I
tried.
barely just got out of it.
I feel bad. I'm sorry.
Alright, well, I'm just gonna...
Everyone left, and it's so
Come on, guys, let's
stupid.
go. I'm just gonna stay here. Matter. Guys, I just realized something. What is it? I just escaped the clutches of the killer. Wait, really? Who's the imposter? I think his name... Chunk Chunk. It was Chunk Chunk? Yes.
I agree.
Are you sure? Yes, he was like... I escaped from him. Alright then. I'll take your word for it. Kinda sus to me. I'd assume so, too. Hey guys, how are y'all doing? Alright, emergency meeting. I vote you out. Oh, you vote me out? Yes.
Wait.
Same.
Walk into this corner.
I'm probably not going to. I vote him out. No, not really. Well, there's 3 out of 2. So you're gonna get voted out. Wait, what? Alright, there's only one more imposter among us.
Alright, do you want
so you all better watch out, I guess. Alright, I just don't want to deal with this.
Alright, you will become...
Kind of suspicious.
No.
I'm just gonna go straight.
Okay, this person's like, okay. I'm sorry.
Hey, you're following me! That's so suspicious that you're following me. I'm just trying to check if you're an imposter.
Anyway.
No! I'm calling an emergency meeting. Guys, he's been following me suspiciously. Huh? Okay, why? That's it, he's been just following
Well, I
me.
mean, 2 people
Dude,
left.
are you kidding me? Come on, are you that brain dead? No, I'm serious, he's been following me. I'd assume this as a self-report. Alright, so, who
Yellow's
votes?
just
Who?
voting, right?
I vote Blueberry because, I mean, he's just trying to self-report.
Welcome back.
I'm not! I don't know. Well, I guess I vote him. No! I skip vote.
I'm voting
Same
yellow.
here. My god, guys. When are we gonna find this last imposter? He could have been the imposter. Come on. Well, I'm just gonna go. Same here.
I honestly think it's yellow.
Alright, you know what?
Yikes.
I'm just gonna stay here. Alright then. Guys,
Okay,
guys, it's been Fred. It's been Fred. What? It's Fred. Okay, meeting time.
Since yellow wasn't
What am I
imposter,
doing
did
here?
avenge
Alright,
you.
so it's him? Yes, I saw him kill Banana Man right in front of my very eyes. Really? Oh, well, I don't really buy that.
Later, but honestly,
Yeah, it's true. Alright, I vote him out.
Well,
I skipped this
guess
vote.
what?
I guess I...
Yellow, it was lime.
I vote him. What? Please don't vote me. Sorry. I vote you. Wait. No. Are you kidding me? The dude was not an imposter. Someone must have self-reported. Yeah, who could it be? It could be you. What do you mean? I wasn't there. You could be you. But I wasn't there either.
Good.
Jeez, these idiots. You know what? How about let's go our separate ways? Fine. Be like that. Alright, where's my tasks? I guess I'm just gonna go in here. What? Hello? Oh, he's dead. It's your turn now.
Ooh, no, but if lime kills cyan,
Come on. Yes. Button.
because
Alright,
he's
it's
the only
meeting
one that
time.
saw something.
I vote you out. Alright, I vote... Ooh. Is that mayonnaise on the floor? Alright, you voted Mayo. Both Mayo. Wait, I didn't say No! Us. I did it. Now, this is what you get for putting us in this situation. What? I just want to have fun. Like, subscribe, request.